All right, Professor Jim Schultz here for my Finance 311 class. As promised, I wanted to go ahead and knock through this video from a Chapter 5 problem. I didn't really hear from anyone, so I figured, you know what, let me go ahead and do number 45. I think that's a really good problem. It's a multiple step problem. It's utilizing that retirement scenario that we have worked through so many times already in class. And so I think it's a good problem. I think it would be a good use of my time to go through and of your time to follow along. So let's go ahead and get rolling with this problem. All right. Now the way this problem sets up, you have I think it's Monica. I don't have my textbook in front of me, but I think you have a young woman, Monica, who wants to essentially have enough money stashed away in her account that she'll be able to withdraw $3,500 every month during her retirement. And her retirement is anticipated to last 30 years. Okay? So the question is, how much does she need to be able to start saving now per month to accomplish this goal? Okay? Now, if you started to work this problem by focusing on the saving period first, you would have immediately run into a roadblock because you would have seen you're solving for payment, but you would not have had a future value to plug in. So then if you turn your attention to the retirement years first, you can see, all right, the present value during her retirement is essentially going to be the future value that she's saving for, right? So if you can somehow find this present value, which we can, you'll then have the future value that belongs over here, and you'll be able to proceed with the problem and complete this guy, right? So let's take a look at the info during her retirement years, right? Again, she wants to withdraw $3,500 a month. She's going to do this for 30 years or 360 months, right? The interest rate that she anticipates to earn on her investments is 8%. All three of these need to be on a monthly frequency, right? Just like we talked about in class earlier today. And so no future value here, right? The assumption is that when her retirement is over, she will have spent all of her money. Okay, so that's a basic time value money problem. You get $476,000 and some change. That then becomes the future value that she now saves for in order to be able to withdraw $3,500 a month for 30 years. Right? So now we transition into the saving period. That's her future value. She's going to save for 25 years or 300 months, right? Same investment return, solving for payment, yet $501.56. So that is how much she has to begin saving now to accomplish this goal. So this is how you solve number 45, chapter 5.